Hey guys and dolls, guess what? Jane Smith back with another review. How you guys doing? I'm doing well. Hope y'all are too. What we got today? We got some Hare's Honey Barbecue flavored chips. Got some Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips, sweet mesquite barbecue. Got some Golden Island Korean barbecue recipe little snack bites. And some Tillamook Chop House Bites, Hawaiian style teriyaki. Been down to my local Dollar Tree, $1.25, $1.50 tree. Just see what kind of snacks they had. I'm always looking for great barbecue chips, and they're hard to find, let me tell you. So we're going to test out a couple of these today. Start with the Hare's. Wow, they don't look super barbecue-y. Get one. That's how they look. They don't smell super barbecue-y. Wow. I don't have high hopes for these guys, but let's see what happens. Wow. Okay. Can't judge by a book by its cover. These are pretty good. Tasting smoke. I'm tasting sweet honey. Barbecue-y. Let's try one with... Oh, that one has it on the back. I guess he's like have it on sort of one side. I don't know. I mean, I feel like they should have a lot more barbecue spice on them, you know? I mean, they're good ordinary chips, but they need more seasoning. All right, back in the bag with these guys. Let's try the Cape Cod. The sweet mesquite barbecue. Dump a few of these babies out. They look a little bit more promising. They've even got a nice smell to them. Let's see how they taste. Wow. Wow. That smoke hits you right off the bat. These are very smoky and meaty tasting. Wow. But not that sweet. I'm getting smoky meat. Let's try them together. The Hare's and the Cape Cod. And see if they're perfect together. I'll try to find a... All right. Let's see if we can get these flavors into something really good. No. Not really. It doesn't, it's just like individual flavors, and they don't all really work together. They don't meld into something really good. I mean, they're okay, right? But they're still not the ideal barbecue chips. That would go to the now deceased Laura Scudder's brand. Oh well. Pretty good. Not great. All right, let's go into some little meatier Chop House Bites. Let's try the Hawaiian style teriyaki. See what that's about. That's what these guys look like. Ooh, they smell really good. Give them a taste. Wow. Pork. That's probably why they don't have a strong flavor. I don't know. Once again, just okay. I mean, if you're looking for some quick protein, you know, this will do it. You know, I think they'd have more than 5 grams. I mean, it's all meat, right? Yeah. 5 grams of protein. Again, just okay. They're not terrible, but neither are they great. All right, let's move on to Golden Island Korean barbecue. These are also pork. Let's see how they smell. They also smell good. Let's give them a taste. All right. Okay, definitely more flavor. Doesn't hit you in the face, but it's there. It's good. What kind of numbers are in these? Only 4 grams of protein. Wow. I like it better than the Tillamook brand, that's for sure. It's okay. But, oh shoot, I was going to show you a different brand of something else. It was really good, but anyway. All this stuff. $1.25 each at Dollar Tree. It's all just okay. I mean, as my dad used to say, beats getting poked in the eye with a sharp stick. All right, guys. Thanks again for sitting through one of my vids. I appreciate you. Missed you guys terribly. And I'll see you again before too long. Love you guys. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.